Hey everyone, this is Trayman 1993 here, and today I want to show you something that I got from Andrews Shopping Center here in Allen, Ohio. And it's this Walthers mainline Canadian Pacific EMD sd60, as you can see right here. This is my third Walthers mainline engine I have. The other two are being the Union Pacific sd70M and the Norfolk Southern sd70 Ace. So I thought this was interesting, so I decided to pick this up here. As you can see right there. Yeah, let's get an unboxing, shall we? Kind of hard to open though. Hard to get out, I mean. Got your, I believe this is a warranty information or a parts diagram right here. Or anything, how to run your locomotive or take apart your locomotive. So let me get this out of the packaging. Okay, there we go. That was easy, and the thing just fell off the plow. But I'll just put it back on there when I get a chance. Not gonna do it right now. Gotta get these little thingies off here. And that's it. Look at this right here. Ain't this cool or what? It's a crisp letter. It's a crisp scheme right here. The crisp lettering, what I mean here. Got some pretty cool detail right here. What I meant to say. Sorry about that. Walthers mainline did a pretty nice job at this locomotive. Even though this is a budget-friendly locomotive, though. Still has some pretty cool detail, like I said. It's really nice. Let's get it on the track. Now I got the locomotive set up here on the track here. Let's give it some voltage here. Really nice here. Has some pretty cool low speed here. Yeah, it's kind of cogging up though. Sorry if my hand's in the way. Really nice. Yep, and the number boards light up on that one too. As well as this one. Really cool locomotive. Well, just want to show you guys this Walthers mainline Canadian Pacific EMD sd60 here. It's a really cool locomotive, like I said. Hope you guys enjoy this vid. Hope you guys take care and have a nice one.